Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So festive season is finally here, and for today's look I have created this very traditional Onam makeup tutorial, and this is a very beginner friendly makeup tutorial and it is really easy to recreate and it is very elegant at the same time. If you do not know what Onam is the harvest festival celebrated in the southern part of India, mainly in Kerala. You can definitely create this look for Durga Puja, for Dashera or for Diwali as well. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I am starting with my base. For that I am taking my Wet n Wild primer serum and I'm just applying it all over on my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. It is really important to prep your skin perfectly before going on with your makeup. For color correcting, I am taking 3 parts of the yellow color corrector and 1 part of the orange color corrector from L.A.Girl, and I am applying it underneath my eyes, around my mouth and wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots and acne spots. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and my foundation, my concealer will not look grayish in color. These color correctors, if you do not have hyperpigmentation or dark circles, then you can totally skip this step. For my foundation, today I am taking my Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 475 and I am blending it out using my damp beauty blender. This foundation is again beautiful. It gives you a natural finish and you can totally build it up and make it a full coverage, but it initially gives you a straight up medium coverage. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade Cashew, and I am applying it wherever I want to highlight and cover. And now I am blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. This is again one of my favorite concealers and it blends beautifully. Just tap 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 and it is all blended. It gives you a full coverage. The coverage with this concealer is absolutely next level. Now before applying my powder, I am just setting my base using my e.l.f. makeup setting spray and I am letting it soak in completely. And now I'm just getting rid of the creases that I already got, and then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light and I am setting my entire makeup. First I'm just setting my under eye area and my smile lines. For that I am using the setting brush from Real Techniques, and then I will take the same powder and I will set my entire makeup. To contour my face, I am using my Rimmel London bronzer. I will mention the shade in the description box down below, and I am using this angled brush from Wet n Wild and I am contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline as well as my nose. And this product is very much underrated in my opinion. The quality is really good and it is affordable. So in case you are looking for a good bronzer from the drugstore, definitely check it out. For my blush, I am taking my Huda Beauty blush in the shade Caring Coral. I don't know why it is called coral because it is a straight up pink shade, but I love the formula. It applies beautifully, and initially I like to apply a lot of blush because it will fade away pretty easily. And for my highlighter, I'm using my Balm Cosmetics Mary Luminizer and I'm applying it on my cheekbones and on my chin, on my cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as on the center of my forehead. Again, such a classic product it is. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup, but before that I am first just doing my brows, and for that I'm using my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony and I am drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I already shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. I will mention the video in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. For my eyes, first I'm taking this beautiful like mauvey brown shade from my Makeup Revolution Ultimate Nude Medium palette, and with this large fluffy blending brush from Morphe, I am applying it as my transition color. This is a pretty light shade, so you need to build it up to have that intensity, and that is exactly what I am doing here. Now I am taking this beautiful brown toned pink shade from the palette, and I am applying it all over on my eyelid. Whenever you are applying a matte eyeshadow on your eyelid, always try to use this kind of a fluffy blending brush. That way it will not become streaky or patchy. If you are using shimmer shade, then definitely go ahead and use a flat shader brush, but these brushes are must for matte shadows, and the quality of this eyeshadow palette is again so good. For my eyeliner, I am using this Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am doing a rough wing here. It doesn't have to be perfect because I am going to smudge it anyway. Now I am taking this purple shade from the palette, and I am just smudging out the eyeliner. And smudged eyeliner look is very much in fashion these days, so in case you are not at all an expert of doing your wing eyeliner, then definitely do this kind of smudged eyeliner look, and it will look just beautiful. I'm just reapplying the lid shade once again. And for my waterline and for tight lining, I'm using my Milani eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark, and now taking that lid shade, I'm smoking out my entire lower lash line. I'm keeping it pretty simple, and now I'm just applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. I will be using falsies off camera. And now I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my eye and my brow bones using the same highlighter, and then I just decided to add a little more character to the look, and I took that champagne shade from the palette and I am applying it on top of that lid shade just to amp up the look further. I think that sparkle just looked beautiful. What do you guys think? Of course you can skip it if you want just a matte eyeshadow look. And now I'm just setting my entire makeup using my L.A.Girl setting spray. And for my lips, first I'm just lining my lips using my NYX lip liner pencil in the shade Burgundy. This is such a beautiful formula. In case you are looking for a good lip liner pencil, definitely check this line out. For my lipstick, I'm using again my favorite. This is my Maybelline More Blush lipstick. Such a beautiful shade of pink it is, and it matched my eye look perfectly. And that is pretty much it. And here is the completed look. I got my sari on, jewelry on, and of course gajra on my hair. I think it is a must, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any video request, then feel free to comment down below. I will be more than happy to make it for you. If you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.